What's going on, YouTube? Another call from no heat. Now the flame is turning on, but it doesn't stay on. So we're gonna see if this flame sensor is dirty or not. Alrighty. Alright, screws out. Oh yeah, that's a dirty one. Oh. We're gonna change it up. Pop that right off. I'll change it right out. It's not that bad. Alright, and with the new sensor. That's in. Let's fire it up. Let's see. New flame sensor in. Okay. It looks like our problem's fixed. And those of you who are wondering how I bypassed the door switch, put my popper in and used it as a door switch. Like and subscribe.